Marie explain. See here, the bulb is red because the switch is on and the current is passing through the bulb battery and the connection is zero to yellow. Once again, let me show the here switch off. The switch is off. Now my friend Aaron will explain my bulb is not glowing.
The bulb is not glowing here because the charges is not flowing in the circuit. Definition of current is charges flowing in unit time. See here, when we on the switch, the charges will pass through this wire with battery. When we have the switch, the charges will break. Now Nihal will tell the definitions of electric cell.
An electric cell produces electricity from chemicals stored inside it. Now Dheeraj will tell about conductors and insulators. Materials which allowed electric to pass through them are called conductors. Insulators do not allow electric current to pass through them are called insulators. This is the explanation about